kind of look for the in-between moments when I'm shooting. I don't look for the perfect moments at all. I think the in-between moments are the gems. My name is Cait Miers and I am a photographer. Yeah, it was cool to get out of the city and head down the coast. I think there's so much more to Japan than people see. We met up with Tanaka, who's a Japanese shaper, and yeah, he was working on one board. He said it'd probably take a month. It was really inspiring. He had his little shack up in the woods and shaping was his happiness, and that, I don't know, he lived and breathed it. I think one of my favourite features of the camera was the control ring and how you could change the aperture. Yeah, the camera went really well in the low light. You didn't even have to put the ISO up that much at all. You could shoot pretty much anything, like as soon as there was a little bit of light from the sun or the first light of the morning. With surfing, it's just like, I love shooting elegance in the water and femininity and girls just doing their thing. I think the Canon EOS R is great for travelling because it's a little bit smaller and more compact. The camera's definitely given me a lot more inspiration to get out there and shoot, and this whole trip has been pretty inspiring.